Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one business using My Lead Gen Secrets. And we're only going to be using one account, my smallest account, to kind of try to emulate what the type of results people might have when they first start. To try to give you guys like an idea of how this will work at the beginning. So anyway, we on day, I think, 17, I want to say. I'm not sure on that, but y'all will know. And so the reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one business in particular is because it's a product that you need anyway when it comes to online business. It's a funnel maker, which is basically every affiliate marketer's like #1 tool they need to use, right? And it's also only $25, which is very competitive with the market, and probably the lowest you're gonna find a full built funnel builder without any like hiccups or anywhere. For example, you don't have any kind of limitations on your funnel that you build. For example, you get ClickFunnels and you pay the $91 for to build your funnel. You still limited because they have a higher plan. They have higher plans. Therefore, you're still limited by something like the amount of people that can see your page in a month. Like, say a certain amount of people see your page within that month, they'll shut that page down unless you upgrade. Like, kind of limitations like that. And a lot of funnel builders are like that when it comes to limitations. This right here, you get everything $25. Everything $25. You can build whatever funnel you like, right? So that's why I like promoting this offer, because it's a product that's very necessary already. And the second reason, because it's affiliate system. Its affiliate system is 80%. Every $25 you get 20 of it. Every $125 you get 100 of it. Every $500 you get 400 of it. Every $1,000 you get 800 of it. And on and on and on, right? And these are all products that you want. I have all the products. I have all the products in the system. Okay, guys? So when I get sales, I make the money from them sales. So anyway, that means that I get paid the 80%. And not only do you get paid 80% commissions, you get 80% recurring commissions, meaning you'll get paid every month over and over and over again. You know what I mean? From one person, if they stay in the system. And these are products that you need anyway if you want to make money online. So anyway, let's keep it moving here. Let's see what our results are today. So we're gonna refresh here. Now this looks like I got 2 sales yesterday. Like one nice. early this morning around like 1 or 2 o'clock maybe, and one yesterday sometime after I made that last video. So we're gonna refresh and make sure this is what our stats are for real. So the reason why I refresh, make sure people refresh when they show you results, because refreshing, it's very easy to change these numbers around. There's a program to change numbers around. It's very easy to change them around. So when they show you numbers on this or whatever it may be, make sure they refresh to show you the page. So you know for a fact that these are really the results. You know what I mean? A lot of people are doing this. It's very easy to change these numbers around. All right, guys, so don't be tricked until they refresh. Don't believe them results until they refresh. All right, guys. All right, now let's talk about what happened here. Now we got 2 sales here, like I stated before. And so we got a sale. We got 2 sales off of that one email. So we're going to keep on going with that email, I think. So let's get over here to My Lead Gen Secrets here. Now we're gonna go and send this email here. Now this is the email that I've been sending here that get the sales here. Create unlimited income for life. This seems to work the best here. I don't know what it is, but this simple email seems to get the sales. So we're gonna send it again. We're just gonna send the same email again. You can do this with My Lead Gen Secrets. It's no problem. Because what a lot of times happen is like people might not have seen the email yet. But and you get more people every day, so you get more people in the system every single day, so you might as well, you know what I mean? All right, guys, so we're gonna send the email again here. Boom. Make sure it's on perfect time. Make sure your link is working. You know, check all that stuff. Double check all that stuff. I know it worked because I'm basically just copying the email I sent yesterday, and I got sales on that one yesterday. Perfect timing. If you don't know, it sends the email around the time people like to open their email. Say, for example, you open your email around 8 o'clock in the morning. They'll send an email around 8 o'clock in the morning. That's because that's the reason. That's around the time you check your emails a lot. But let's say you open your email. Now, a different person might check their emails around 11 o'clock p.m. at night. They'll get this email at that time. So either way, the best thing is trying to get to the top of the list so people can see your email, you know. And it's just that simple, and that's the reason why. And guys, that's all it takes, guys. That's all it takes when it comes to my lead gen secret and promoting and making money. That's all it takes. That's all you have to do right there, what I just showed you. And you can make money doing this. Now you stick to it. You have, this is what I'm doing with just one account, guys. One brand new account. Now imagine if I used all of my accounts. Let's say you get 10 accounts and do this. You get 10 accounts and do this. 10 accounts and do this. You will make money so fast, guys. You gotta spend money to make money. You get open 10 accounts and do this, you'll make money so quick. But I want to show the beginning, how the beginning is gonna look, because you're not gonna get sales right away like crazy. You're gonna slowly build up. All right, so guys, that's all there is to it. All the links are in the description. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.